This is our 2014 Chrysler 200 LX. It is a sedan. It goes for $4,488, which is a steal. As you can see, it has had a little bump. There's our VIN, stock, new tires. See tire, there you go. There. If this is a vehicle that interests you, we'd be very happy to help you out in getting into it. Let's have a look at the inside. It is an automatic. Power locks, windows, heated mirrors. That's for the stereo control on the wheel. Look inside. Very nice stereo system inside, takes CDs and everything. Great looking interior. It's remote entry.